Welcome back to my another video. Today gonna show you how to draw anime character. First of all, I'm not an art teacher, so don't judge as a professional. I'm sharing my experience only. First, you choose a light grade pencil like HB, then you draw the outline using medium pressure as per your reference image. Initially your drawing will look very bad, but give your 100%, and remember this is the first step. Your drawing will become more beautiful as you work on the details. So don't worry about the results, first focus on making the outline, correct the mistakes while drawing the outline. And yes, important information for those who do not know about anime, this is a very famous character of anime. The name of the show is One Piece and character name is Luffy. Stick with me for step 2. In the second step, fade the outline with the help of the needed eraser. Now in the third step, take dark grade pencil and enhance the outline. Step 3 is done. Now the fourth step is the shading, and I am using the hatching technique. Shading is a very important part of drawing, so if your shading technique is good, then your drawing will look even more beautiful. The anime shading is very easy compared to human face shading or body shading.